Welcome to Mr. Woods Teaches, my math notes for middle school. Hi everyone, this is Mr. Woods Teaches. Today I'm going to be going over on how to use the My Math Notes books. I'm going to use a middle school example here because that's my current book that just came out. So let's take a look at the problem. Several transformations were performed on figure A, B, C, D to obtain figure A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Here's A, B, C, D, A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. First, I want to recognize that these are rectangles, so I'm going to say rectangle. There's more information down below. Describe the sequence of transformations that occurred. Include specific details about the transformations, including the lines of reflection, the degree of rotation, the number of units translated, and/or the scale factor. Let's go back through and underline some information. Transformations that occurred. Include specific details about the transformation, including the lines of reflection, the degree of rotation, the number of units translated, and/or the scale factor. What does it mean by the lines of reflection? I can look in the book. It says here, reflection, a type of transformation that occurs when each point in a shape is reflected over a line, a mirror line, an image or shape as it would be seen in a mirror. Okay, so here's the x-axis and the y-axis, and it looks like it's being, it says here mirror line, so this shape was reflected over the y-axis. I'm not sure if that's a reflection down here or if one was performed. Let's take a look at some others. Let's take a look at a rotation. Rotation, a circular transformation. Example, rotate the pentagon in quadrant 3, which is down here, 90 degrees clockwise, which is going in this direction. As you can see, it rotated 90 degrees. That might be something that we have here, but I'm not sure if it's clockwise or not. We'll take a look at here in a moment. And then scale factor. Scale factor of 3. Here's your original figure, which is at 1. And scale factor of 1/2. So how do I know if there's a scale factor there? We'll get to that here in a moment. So we have a rectangle. I wonder if they're both the same size. Well, I go from A to B. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So both of them have the same width. Let's see if it has the same length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the scale factor, I'm just going to say SF, is equal to 1. So they're both the same size. It looks like there's a rotation here. If I rotate, if you remember, we can go clockwise. Let's see if clockwise would do it. Get it into that first quadrant. Well, there's quadrant number 2. Here's quadrant number 1. No, it's not in the same position. Well, let's try it counterclockwise. So if I do counterclockwise, well, there's the same position where A and B, one on top of the other here, but it needs to be translated, a rigid transformation up and over, it looks like. So let's get back here. So if I do a counterclockwise rotation, so I'm going to say CC rotation, 90 degrees. If I do that, I'm going to have my B right here, 1, 2, 3. And A is right here, so this is going to be B. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's C and D. It's getting closer. Let's see here. So my A is here, but the A prime is there, so I have to go over 1. I'm going to translate 1 unit. I'm going to say positive direction, so positive. So that'd be +1. And then it's going to go up. So if this is my new position for A, which will be A prime, I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going to be 10 units positive plus 10. But are those going X or Y? Well, this going up is going to be parallel to the Y-axis, so that's +10. Y direction. And this is X direction. So I think we have enough information here to describe what happened. I used the book to help me understand the words in the question, talking about transformations, lines of reflection, degree of rotation, units translated, and the scale factor. Here it is. Rectangle ABCD was rotated counterclockwise 90 degrees, then translated plus 1 units x direction, then plus 10 units y direction. The scale factor is 1. To form rectangle A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. We're done. I hope this is helpful for your student and you to understand on how to use the book for both in classroom and at home. Thank you. Have a great day. My Math Notes for Middle School, available on Amazon today.